and make it rhyme. A, B, C, follow me. Let's learn letters, 1, 2, 3. A says like apple, yum. B says let's bounce to the drum. C says cuckoo, like a cuckoo cat. D says duh, like a drumming hat. E says a, like egg so neat. Let's clap to the rhythm, feel the beat. Sound it out, let's have some fun. Phonics time for everyone. Letters and sounds, let's get it right. Reading's easy, day or night. F says like a fish that flips. G says good, like guitar that's hip. H says like a happy hat. I says let's imagine that. J says like jump and jive. Keep on learning, feel alive. S like a slithering snake. Like the sound waves make. Ch is chit like choo-choo trains. Learning sounds is never plain. Sound it out, let's have some fun. Phonics time for everyone. Letters and sounds, let's get it right. Reading's easy, day or night. K says like a kite that flies. L says la, like laughing guys. M says like milk so sweet. N says like noisy feet. O says like octopus. Keep on grooving, dance with us. P says like popping corn. Q says qu like a queen is born. R says like a roaring bear. S says like a snake right there. T says like a ticking clock. Let's keep grooving, let's rock. U says like umbrella day. V says v like a violin play. W says what like a wave so high. We're learning fast, oh my, oh my. Sound it out, let's have some fun. Phonics time for everyone. Letters and sounds, let's get it right. Reading's easy, day or night. X says case like a box that drops. Y says yeah, like yo-yo hops. Z says like a buzzing bee. We've learned it all from A to Z. Oh my. Sound it out, let's have some fun. Phonics time for everyone. You did it, kids, you're a phonics pro. Now take those sounds wherever you go. Keep on singing, learning's cool. Phonics fun for life and school.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time.